I'm adding 4 more feet to the slab. That is, the slab that sits on top of the 3rd floor. Move it this way, 4 feet. And then select that face. Move it this way, 4 feet. Close the group. Alright, still wider than below, but not quite there. So I've drawn along this wall, but in order that we not reinvent the wheel, I'm simply going to take one of these arches and copy it over here, make it unique, and scale it. You need a smaller version to fit over these openings. Let's grab it from that corner. So tap the control key so we have something to rotate from. All right. Let's take it and rotate it. We need the red axis. Oh no. We need the blue axis. $90. So now it's sitting against the wall where it belongs, but it's the wrong size. Let's move. It's got to be about, when all is said and done, about 7 feet wide. Right click, make it unique. I think a uniform scale is what we need. Uniform scale about opposite point. Maybe we want to do that from up here. Uniform scale about opposite point. So where we have it. Okay, let's move it one more time to where its inside edge is to one of these curves. Okay, now we'll scale again. Uniform, about opposite point. Good. See what we're doing? Well, it's close. Let's see what we get from that. I think it's still too big. It could be about right. This is not an exact science. That could do. Remember, this is just freestanding geometry on that back wall. We can remove it afterwards. Okay, let's copy this guy. And remember, because it's a component, from that edge, oops, this edge, tap the control key. Move a copy there. Control, move copy from there, Control key. There. Still too small. There. Moving that to the endpoints of those arcs. Alright, so let's do that with all of these. This one needs to move this bloody mouse. There. That one's where it's supposed to be, I think. This one. I'm sure there's a better way of scaling these. Let's close that component and change the parameter of component hide rest model so we can see the context. Close that component and I'm just going to scale it. Uniform, leave it sitting where it is. And that will have modified all of them. Now, we only scaled that instance, didn't we? Okay. Select it all. Scale. Now you can see that that's affecting all instances. And that is going to allow, oops. It's going to allow me to guess that that's about right. Now we need columns beneath this, and we can copy this to the other end, and it's necessarily smaller than these guys because the interval here are 7 feet and the others are 10. This will be less than 18 smaller arches. Is that right? Completed.